Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can delete your app project you're currently working on in the Adalo application builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to Adalo, log into your account and select the app you would like to work on and also delete if needed. From that menu I will go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Now I'm not going to delete it to confirm it, but I'm going to show you how you can do that for your app project. So navigate to the app settings on the left hand side here. What you want to do guys is expand these menu here, and what you want to do is navigate to copy and delete here below, and you will see these two buttons. Now the lower one is for the app deletion. Just remember guys that if you click into this button and confirm by typing in the exact name of the app here, and by clicking into OK, I'm not going to do this, this action won't be, or you won't be able to undo this, right? So that app, including all data, all content, all features, all screens and everything it contains will be deleted permanently guys. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.